Hi guys! Do you want to plan your birthday party at your house? If yes, then keep watching this video. This year I turned 9 and we had a super fun birthday party at my house. But do you know something exciting? This party was fully planned by me. Yes, I did it very easily. Do you want to know how? Come, I will show you. I googled rainbow theme decoration. I found many decoration items that we could use. In Amazon, I searched for pastel rainbow birthday decorations. We ordered a pastel rainbow birthday decoration set. It came in a lovely package along with 60 pastel balloons. We got golden butterflies, white curtains, lights, a happy birthday sign and tape. I started planning for the day by writing everything down: invitation list, food and games. I made 21 rainbows to put on white cups for drinks. It was hard cutting them out, so I had help from my mom. I made some chits for games, then folded them and put them in a bowl. We made the balloon arch and put it on the wall. I was really excited. The golden butterflies looked very pretty. Here it is. The wall decoration is done. I just loved it. I did my nails and they looked beautiful. I got this from H&M and I loved my dress. I'm ready for the party.